Plenty of cold water downstairs, ice cold in the beer stand. All right, heat race number 2, strictly stocks. Ray looks them over. Green, green, green. Boogie Lewis checks out early. He's out in first through turns 1 and 2. Jerry Pruitt right there behind him. Ooh, the 68 shuffled to the top of the track. Ken Huey coming around. Benny McAnally Sr. coming around. Boogie Lewis has got Jerry Pruitt to his inside, drops low for the block, good drive in front, holds on out in front. Smoke coming out of the back end. Lewis on the high side, Jerry Pruitt on the inside. They'll go side by side down the back stretch to turn 3. Pruitt stays on the bottom. Lewis on the outside. And Jerry Pruitt will complete the pass through the turns, and he'll bring him out of turn number 4. Cindy Bryant catching up to the leaders in the 41. Benny McAnally Sr. running in 4s on his 68, running at 5th spot. That's Tyler Bear. Jeffrey Daniels with the bent right rear tires already pulled off the track here on the front stretch. Trying to get the other tire down, it's off the rim. Heavy smoke coming out of, that's Boogie Lewis's car. Kenny Huey looking underneath of him now in turn 2. That engine may be going away. Lewis slides up, Kenny Huey goes underneath of him, and he'll take the spot away in turn 4. Boogie Lewis fights back. Finally, Kenny Huey gets him into 41. He's up in second spot. Jerry Pruitt to number 1, the yellow car in turn 3 and 4. That is your leader. The 68 awfully slow off the pace coming out of turn 4. White flag is out one more time around. Boogie Lewis, that doesn't smell like rubber burning. It smells like something going in that engine. 2 more turns for the yellow number 1 in turn number 4. That is Jerry Pruitt. Pruitt sideways, coming out of turn 4 with a checkered flag and the win. Kenny Huey in lap traffic. Boogie Lewis right there with him. Goes to the inside. He'll finish second. And here's how they'll finish up. Finishing in 5th spot will be the 68 of Tyler Baird. Finishing 4th, the 24 of Benny McAnally Sr. Finishing 3rd, a big round for Boogie Lewis in the 40, taking care of our mosquito population tonight. Finishing in 2nd, the 41 is Kenny Huey. And give it up for our winner number 1 out of Holbert is Jerry Pruitt. He'll wave at you as he comes by. Got a passenger on the right side of that car.